So this is the algebraic problem. If you can do this, you can put your answer in the comment section. Let's see who's going to do this. Solve for x and y. And put your answer in the comment section. Oh, Shigi. So how did you do this? How did you do this? Any idea on what you did? Okay. Good. You can check my channel for this, for the answer to this. Just click on my channel. You're going to see the answer. I've done this and I put the answer in the comment section. You can check it, please. Okay. So we're going to do something else now. Yeah, in the previous video, what we did, we talked about algebraic fraction. Okay? So this is what something like this we did in our previous video. So today we're going to be continuing with this. So we're going to continue with the algebraic fraction. Now if you have this kind of problem, the first thing you do is to what? Okay, I want you to be engaged with what I'm going to do. Who can tell me the first step to do here? I want to see, just a moment please. Can you tell me, I'm going to be reading your chat box. If you have this kind of problem, what is the first thing to do? This is a fraction. This is another fraction. And here we want to solve for x. We don't know what your x is, so you want to solve for x. So in this kind of problem, what is the first thing to do? What is the first thing to do? Okay? I'll be reading your comment section. The first thing to do is to cross multiply. This method is called cross multiplication. This numerator is going to multiply this denominator, while this is going to multiply this. That is the first thing to do. Now, to do that, we have these two multiplying this numerator here, which is 2x minus 2 equals to 3 multiplying what we have here. 3 multiplied by 3x plus 2. So let's multiply these two first. 2 times 2 is 4 into bracket x minus 2. 3 times 3 is what? 9. X plus 2. Now I have solved this halfway. Can you proceed from here? Please, I need your answer in the comment section. I'll be in the chat box. I want to see your comments, please. Yeah, I want to see your comments. What am I going to do next? Okay, you said simplify. Yes, simplify. Yeah, we're simplifying it. Now, to simplify, there's something we call expand or distribute. If you are just joining me, just click on the like button and the subscribe button so that you can see my live video notification every day. It's very important. Now, the next thing you have to do is to use 4 to multiply this, and at the same time, we use this 4 to multiply this. So that is, you want to use what you have outside to multiply everything you have in the parentheses. The same way you're going to use your 9 to multiply this and your 9 to multiply this. If you have a bracket or a parenthesis, if you want to bring it out, you expand. Use the value outside to multiply what we have inside. So here also, we're going to have 4 times x, 4x. 4 times 2, 8. 9 times x, 9x. 9 times 2, 18. But you have to take note of the sign. You have to take note of the sign. Now, this is halfway done. what is the next thing to do? What is the next thing to do from here? If you're just joining, don't forget to click on the like and the subscribe button. Now, what is the next thing to do from here? I'm waiting. So the best thing or the next thing you're going to do is you have 4x. This, anything on the right side, if you are moving it to the left side, the sign is going to change. So this is plus 9, this is going to be negative 9x. This is called collection of like terms. Collect like terms. So here we have 18. If this is going to the right, it is changing position, the sign is going to change also. So here we have negative 5x equals to 26. So what is the next thing to do from here to get our x? So here we have negative 5x is equals to 26. Next, we divide by the coefficient of x, which is negative 5, negative 5. So finally, x is going to be negative 26 over 5. But since we want to simplify, you're going to put this in as mixed fraction. So your x is going to be negative 5 whole number 1 over 5. So this is the final answer for x. Stay tuned, we are moving to another question now. I just want you to have a look at this. You can write it down, okay? You can write it down. Okay, Amires? Yeah. You trying? So this is what you've got. Okay, can I move to the next question, please? Just let me know in the comment section. If you want me to move to the next section, next question, just put it in the comment section so that I can proceed with the next question. Just say yes. If you want me to move to the next question, just say yes. No, you are smart. Don't say you are not smart. Okay, good. Now, we have another question. We have 3 divided by 2x plus 4 equals to 5 divided by 3x minus 2. So what is x? Yeah, this is another question I have. If you are just joining me, just click on the subscribe button and the like button, please. Then solve for x. Let me give you 5 minutes to do this. If you get it right, I'm going to proceed with this. Yes. Anybody that gets this right, I'm going to continue. Okay. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do this. If you can get it right, then I'm going to proceed from there. Just try. Or what is the next thing I'm going to do from here? If you have this kind of problem, what is the next thing? If you are just joining me, click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button. Thank you for joining. Oh, Amires, the answer is 5 1/3. For this question, right? Okay. Now let me ask you, Amires. If you saw the answer is 5 1/3, let me write it down. Here. Amires, 5 1/3. Okay? We've gotten one answer. Anyone else? Let's see. We have fewer people online today. Let's see. Any other answer? We're going to simplify right now. But any other answer? We have 3 minutes more. If I can get another answer, then we're going to continue. We continue in 3 minutes. 3 minutes more. Yeah, we've gotten one answer. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe, a lot of people doesn't like maths. So, yeah, let's start. Don't let me waste your time. Now, the first thing you do, you see, there's one rule about fraction. This is a fraction. This is another fraction. We have equals to at the center. Like what I did in the previous example, you cross multiply. You cross multiply. You cross multiply. So what did I mean by cross multiplication? This is going to multiply this. That is, your 3 is multiplying everything you have here. Just like something like this. So your 3 is multiplying this, which is 3x minus 2. Equal. Your 5 is multiplying this. So we have 5 multiplying 2x plus 4. Okay? 2x plus 4. So here, next is to distribute. What you have outside the parentheses will be used to multiply. So now we have 3 times 3x, which is 9x. 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. 5 times 2x is 10x. Okay? 5 times 4 is 20. Now, I have done this somewhere. Can you continue from here? What is the next thing to do? I think you should be able to get the answer from here. I believe you should be able to get the answer from here. Okay? Now, we've gotten this. 9x minus 6 equals to 10x plus 20. So what is the next thing to do? For those just joining, please, I need your participation on this. And just click on the like and the subscribe button so that you can see my notification every day I'm going live. Every time I'm going live, you'll be notified. Just click on the subscribe button. Now, the next thing to do is collect like terms. This is having x. This is also having x. Take them together. Here we have 9x. If you are moving this to this side, the sign is going to change from plus to negative 10x. This is your equal sign. And here we have 20. Now we want to move this to this other side. Negative 6 to this side. It is going to be positive 6. So 9x minus 10x is going to be negative x, which is what? 20 plus 6 is going to be 26. Is this the final answer? No. Your x should be 26. Now we can check if this is accurate. How do you check? You can check by plugging in the value of x into this given equation, and you will see that both of them are the same. Now another question. If you want to write this down, I'm going to give you like a few seconds to do that. Okay? Now, if you just join in, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can get notified. Amares, thank you for trying. Yeah, we have 3 into brackets y plus 2 over 5 minus 2. Okay, into bracket y plus minus 2 over 3 equals to 1. What is y? Solve. Here you have 5 minutes to do this. Okay? Put your answer in comments. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do this. Yeah, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do this. And I'm going to do the answer after that. Anyone? I'm going to do this in 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes more. Just put your answer in the comment section. And let me know. If you are just joining, just click on the subscribe. Yeah? Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to do this in 1 minute. Okay, yeah, let's do this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to do this right now. Now here we have, let's simplify the left-hand side first. We want to simplify the left-hand side first. But in this case, you cannot cross multiply. You cannot cross multiply. Why? Because we're having two separate fractions separated by negative, not equals to or not, they are not separated by equals to sign. So these are separated by negative. So the first thing to do is to make them a single fraction. Then you can cross multiply with what you have on this side. Now, find the LCM, or you can multiply these two together, which is 15. 5 times 3 gives 15. Then you can use this to multiply this and this to multiply this. 3 times 3, we have 3 times 3 into parentheses y plus 2 minus 2 times 5 in parentheses y minus 2 equals to 1. 3 times 3 is 9 into parentheses y plus 2 minus 2 times 5 is 10 in parentheses y minus 2 over 15 equals to 1. Then you can now cross multiply. You can now cross multiply. Now this is a single fraction, this is another single fraction. You can cross multiply. Can you continue from here? Let's see. Can you continue from there? I'm waiting. Okay, let's finish. So we have 9 times y is 9y. 9 times 2 is 18. Minus 10 times y is 10y. 10 times this is negative 20. Equals to 15 times 1. 9y minus 10y, you can see this and this. Negative y. 18 minus 20 is negative 2 equals to 15. Negative y equals to 15 plus 2. And your negative y equals to 17. Finally, y is going to be negative 17. This is the answer to the problem. Okay.